What's up, guys? How you doing? I'm Jay coming at you, and today, finally, I received my phone that I was looking to get it for so long. Guys, are you ready? Bam! Redmi Note 7 Pro. Yeah, baby. And you can see the color. I know this color in the phone. I don't know. I forget the name of the color, but there it is, guys. Let's open it up. Oh, before we do that, let's just check what we have here. Okay. All right, we have this one. Yeah, just a plug. Okay, that's cool. Let's see what else Xiaomi provided us. Oh, not happy? What is this? Happy? Of course I'm happy, man. I'm a happy person. I enjoy what I'm doing. And what is this? Oh, this is like, you put it in your finger, stick it up. I know that stuff, but I personally don't like to do this type of thing. Just you put your finger here, like, nah, it's not my type. I like to put it like any magnetic things they put in your car, and that's about it. Anyways, nothing else in here. Let's open up, unbox the phone now. And yeah, here we go, guys. Redmi Note 7 Pro. Let's take it out. Oh yeah, the Xiaomi unboxing. It just takes a time to open up. Bam. Alright. We usually, when you unbox, we see the phone at first, but this time it's the opposite. So we have a case, rubber case. Very nice looking rubber case. I think it's, oh, all right. It's kind of rough from the inside, but it's very smooth outside. New type of stuff. This is the phone. Now it's in Chinese, but we can read numbers. 48 megapixels here. IMX 586 from Sony sensors. This is supposed to be competing with the top of the the brackets when it comes to the cameras. I'll be testing this against the P20 Pro, not the P30, the P20. So we're gonna see the 48 megapixels Sony versus the 40 megapixels from the Huawei. We have the Snapdragon 675. That's the upper mid-ranger from Snapdragon. So Xiaomi implemented this in the budget phone. We have a 4,000 milliamp battery. That's a big battery for a phone like this. And I think this thing is like quick charge, right? I don't know. I'm just guessing. There's no numbers. So let's take out the phone. And wow, that's beautiful, man. Wow, this one screams quality, guys. I never thought I would be witnessing such a thing like that. So let's take a look at the IOs of the phone. In the top, we have the headphone jack. We have a microphone. This is a microphone, yeah. And this is an IR blaster. So we have, all of them on the top, which is a good thing, guys. I prefer the headphones to be on the top rather than the bottom. So great thing. On the right side, we have the power button. Oh, it's very clicky. It's very, very sturdy. It's very high quality build, by the way. I'm very impressed. So as you see, power on up and down. So it's designed just like, phones like the P20 Pro, where the power button is on the right, as well as the volume down and volume up. So if you're used to do, have the Huawei or the other Xiaomi's phones, you won't be having any problem using this phone. So no problems at all when it comes to the this usability. But if you're using Samsung usually put their power button on the left side or Bixby, so they just mess things up a little bit. So that's it from the right side. The left side, we have the SIM ejector tool, and I believe it's actually SIM card here. Let me just see. It said, yeah, micro SD nano SIM card. So this is great. Let's take a look at the bottom side. We have a USB Type C and a speaker and a microphone. It's a single speaker, from what I read, of course. That's it, guys. This is the phone. It's looks elegant, looks beautiful, It has this dual color blue kind of, purplish thing. I prefer this one. I really like it. It's kind of heavy, a little bit heavy. Anyways, let's take this aside. Let's see what else we have in the box. This is the camera. Yeah, whatever. Let's look at the USB Type C, and it's just cable. Let's look at the charger. So, thank you whoever gave me this, because this one doesn't work. I think it's I don't know why. How did you know that my for export only, for tourism travel adapter, whatever. Let's take a look at the charger. Is it a fast charger? It is 12 volts, 1.5. Yeah, it's a fast charger, guys. Just a fast charger, Qualcomm fast charger. So that's cool. What else do we have here? I don't think we have anything else. No headphones, no. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's the unboxing of the Redmi Note 7 Pro. I'm gonna test the camera, and I'm gonna put it against the Nokia 8.1. I'm gonna put it against the Honor Note 10. I'm gonna put it against the Huawei P20 Pro. The 48 megapixel, guys. Let's take a look at it. Wow. Ooh, looks beautiful. Yeah, I can't wait. Anyways, guys, keep watching my videos, guys. Click on the bell, because I'm gonna drop a lot of videos. So stay tuned, and see you guys later.